Hello everyone, good morning. This is our first problem of binary search. This is the basic conceptual problem of binary search. Okay, that is the simple binary search. Here, the concept is basically to reduce the search space in half every time in order to get the result faster. Okay, so I won't read the question. I'll just explain it to you. So there will be a key given, which is nothing but our target. We need to find here uh, where is where on what index it is present, right? I guess yes, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, we need to return the index, and if it's not present at all, we'll return -1 simply. Now here this problem can be solved with linear search as well, to just loop through each element, and if it appears, we'll just return that particular index. But what would happen if there is let's say 10,000 array or list is of length 10,000, and our element is on the last. Okay, is it in and at the end? Okay, in that case it will take too much long amount of time. So in order to reduce that time, reduce the searching computation, we are using binary search. Okay. So algorithm is simple. Whenever uh, we we assume that our element is in middle. Okay, if it's in middle, uh, we then check. Let's say, let me take a good example here. 1, 3, 5. Okay, and our key is 5. Okay, what I'll assume is, uh, first of all, yes, very important thing, array must be sorted. Okay, why? Everything will make sense in a bit. Here in the question they have mentioned that it is sorted in ascending order. Now let's say this is the key 5, 1, 3, 5, and what I'll assume is my element key is present in here, which is the middle. Okay, you can see what is the middle index, that is nothing but 1. So I'll assume that it is present in the middle. 1, 3, 5, so 3, and check, is 3 my element key? No, no. Is 3 greater than my element? If yes, uh, what I'll get this, if this particular element is greater than my key, and if this array is sorted, then my element should be on left hand side of it, right? So my element should be, my key should be on left of mid. And if this is the last case, this is 3 is less than key. Okay, which is our case. If yes, my key should be on right of mid, correct? Because if it is sorted and 3 is less than my key, then it should be on right hand side. Okay, because the number would be larger on the right hand side. So this is the basically entire mechanism, entire working of it. So here in this case, I'll know that okay, 3 is less than key, so we'll move to the right hand side, and again, now right hand side will become our mid. Okay, we'll get the mid. So that will be, is 5 is key? Yes. So that index is our answer. Index equal to 2. That is our answer. And that's how it will work basically. So let's start with the algorithm, that will make more sense now. Left comma right is equal 0 comma length of numbers minus 1. Okay, so I'm keeping two pointers at both the ends, 0 and length of num minus 1. Now while left less than equal to right, until they are not crossing each other, we'll keep on doing this thing. Okay, and there should be a mid as well, mid equal to okay, or let's keep it here only. Mid equal to left plus right by. Okay, now what will happen if there is odd number here? Okay, so here left is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Correct. Left 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. There is nothing, no such element as 2.5. Correct. So in order to round it every time, I'll do double slash. Okay, it will basically act as a floor function. It will if answer is 2.5, I'll get 2 similarly. So I got this mid. Now as I mentioned, I told you three steps. If and again note this is not the value but it's the index. So if nums of mid equal to target, then return mid. Okay. Elif nums of mid less than or greater than target. Okay. It means it means if my wherever I am currently is greater than the target, so my target should be on left hand side of it. So I'll move the right hand side to be mid minus 1 because mid is already checked here. Okay, so we don't need to recheck it again. Else, there is only one case, it is left is equal to mid plus 1. The third case that I explained it to you, and return minus 1. I think this should be it. Let's run it. Okay, submit. Okay, this is the first trick I got revealed. Everything got revealed.